Hello, myself Dr. Humaira. I am from JT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon, Nasik. My topic is respiration in mammals. The respiration in mammals takes place for exchange of the gases between organism and its environment, that is oxygen is taken in and CO2 is expelled out from the body. In higher animals, supply of oxygen to every cell is not so simple. It is done by special system of tubular and sacs, which is called respiratory system. The respiratory system it starts from the nose, from the external layer. The, it connects with the internal layer, then it joins with the trachea. The trachea enters into the chest region. Bifurcation of the trachea occurs in the chest region. It is divided into two tubules. Each tubule itself is known as bronchus. Each bronchus enters into the substance of the lungs and divide and redivide to form a small tubular structure known as bronchiole. Bronchiole enters into the inside of the lungs and ends into a sac-like structure which is known as alveolus. So in such a way, the connection of the respiratory organ from outside of the environment to the inside of the environment of the body takes place by the help of this pathway. So air enters into the alveoli, which is richly supplied with the blood vessels. So from alveoli, exchange of the gases takes place. This exchange of the gases occurs by the help of the supporting system in the chest region. In the chest region, presence of ribs are there, presence of the intercostal muscles are there, the diaphragm is also there. By the help of the these organs perform the function of inhalation and exhalation, that means inspiration and expiration of the gases. During the inspiration, the ribs goes forward direction, diaphragm becomes dome shaped. Due to the enlargement of intercostal muscles in the ribs, the area of thoracic cavity becomes increases. Pressure of this in this region becomes lower and the air rushes from outside of the body to the thoracic cavity, thoracic region due to difference in pressure. When air enters inside the thoracic cavity in the lungs, reaches to the alveoli, exchange occurs and the ribs, intercostal muscles and diaphragm reaches its original position, due to which the thoracic cavity pressure becomes increases and air comes out from inside of the body to the outside is known as the exhalation or expiration. So in such a way, by the action of these substance, these organs present in the thoracic region, exchange of the gases in the mammals takes place. Thank you very much.